In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in OneNote. First, let's get started by opening OneNote. You will see the familiar OneNote interface, filled with your notes and sections. It's important to ensure you're in the right workspace where your desired notes are stored. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. Having everything organized makes your printing task more efficient. Once you have OneNote open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now navigate to the specific page you want to print. This is crucial because printing the wrong page can lead to wasted paper and time. Look through your notebooks and sections carefully. Once you find the right page, make sure it has all the information you want to include. This step ensures that your printed output is exactly what you need, so take your time to double-check. With the correct page open, click on the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. This is a common starting point for many tasks in OneNote, including printing. Once you click File, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. You will see the print option listed there. Selecting File first helps you access the print settings easily, keeping the process organized. After clicking File, proceed to select Print and then click on Print again. This action takes you directly to the print setup screen. Here you will see options specific to your printing needs. It's important to be attentive during this step because the choices you make here will affect how your notes appear on paper. You can expect a smooth transition from the menu to the print settings, which is designed to be user-friendly. Next, select your printer from the list of available devices. This is an important step as choosing the correct printer ensures your notes print correctly. If you have multiple printers connected, make sure to select the one you want to use. Selecting the right printer saves you from potential headaches later on, like having your document printed on a different machine. Now it's time to adjust your print settings. You can modify several options here, including the number of copies, orientation, and paper size. If you need multiple copies, simply enter the desired number in the field provided. Orientation can be set to either portrait or landscape, depending on how you want your notes to appear on the page. Adjusting the paper size is equally important to ensure that your notes fit correctly. This step allows you to customize your print job to suit your needs perfectly. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, click Print. This final action sends your document to the printer. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your print job has been sent. This reassurance lets you know that everything is set in motion and your notes will soon be in hand. As a helpful tip, if you want to preview your page before printing, select File and then Print Preview. This step allows you to see how your notes will look when printed. It's a great way to catch any issues before they occur, saving you time and resources. Now let's move on to the process for OneNote for the web. Start by opening OneNote for the web in your browser. This version offers similar functionalities, making it easy to print your notes online. Once it loads, navigate to the page you want to print, just like before. This consistency helps you feel comfortable whether you're using the app or the web version. After you've opened the desired page, click on Print. You will find this option readily available, making it easy to start the printing process. Once again, select your printer and any additional print options you might need. These options can include the number of copies and layout preferences similar to the desktop version. Finally, click Print to complete the process. Your document will be sent to the selected printer and you should receive a confirmation. Before we wrap up, here are a few important notes to remember. OneNote for Windows prints one page at a time. If you need to print multiple pages, you will have to repeat the process for each page. Similarly, the Legacy app can print the current page, section, or entire notebook. If needed, you can create a PDF instead of printing on paper. Simply choose Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Now you are ready to print your notes with confidence.